Welcome to our channel. Fasten your seatbelts because this ultimate adventure will thrill you to the max. Get ready to witness giant forestry machines and wood saws in action, crushing giant tree trunks with incredible power that will blow your mind. Yes, it is a nice modern house in the middle of nowhere. It is a pity that the big tree fell down. Glad that at least no one was hurt. If you see a tree leaning dangerously like that, the best thing to do is stay away. It is a serious danger. Call the professionals to handle it. Those people are trained to handle dangerous trees, and they have the right equipment to do it safely. Don't try to act like a hero. Do you think with an old car and a worn-out engine, do they have enough power to dislodge this stubborn tree stump? Wow, be careful in these cases. Tree trunks fall one after another like a domino effect, creating a sound that resonates between heaven and earth. Let's explore the latest taper screw splitter from US Pride Products, specially designed for mini excavators. The HF400 taper screw splitter stands out with its outstanding bearing capacity, perfectly responding to strong impacts from mini excavators.
You heard it downshift there when it got to the analog, it slowed down. That was the...
USP has improved the spindle and bearing, increased durability, and used a larger cone to improve wood splitting efficiency. This is the perfect combination of smart design and lasting power. The crusher is working vigorously, moving non-stop to process the tree trunks quickly and effectively. A metal monster with sharp fangs is munching on every tree stump. That is the CBI tree stump. This is no sophisticated garden tool, but a real clearinghouse of power, ripping up and devouring stubborn tree stumps, turning them into sawdust. Do you have a large area to clean? Anchor chains may be the ideal solution for you. Like a giant comb, it easily rips through trees and bushes quickly and efficiently, saving time and effort. Okay, everyone, this is where things get serious. If you think you can handle this yourself, think twice. Don't try to be a hero. Call in the experts to avoid turning things into a disaster. This is not a playground for amateur experiments. The VK Pillar is equipped with a unique spiral cutting head with 4 independently adjustable blades, which optimizes peel removal efficiency on logs from 20 to 55 centimeters in diameter. With processing speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, this is truly a breakthrough in industrial tree bark peeling technology. Moments like these make you realize just one small improvement can change everything dramatically. Finland boasts a long history of using its rich waterways for shipping, and the Peace River that flows through Shisu is a prime example of this tradition. The river not only serves as a major artery for the timber industry, but is also where logs are tied into large rafts, which are skillfully navigated downstream, demonstrating a sustainable and efficient method of transport this valuable resource. As someone who is passionate about this job, I wish my country had trees like this so I could conquer it. The future of stump removal is here. Dipper Fox Stump Crusher is a brand new stump crusher attachment for excavators. As usual, they sent someone to get wood and said that the road was very good. Not much mud. But the reality is completely different. Just throwing a stone is enough to understand. Drivers are putting all their effort into driving while carefully calculating to avoid having to return empty-handed. This job is not easy at all.
Вот это серьезная работа для настоящих мужиков. Давай, Леха, газуй.
The Green Climber 5500 is a versatile lawnmower and land treatment machine designed to work in difficult off-road conditions.
Much more productive.
With the ability to move flexibly on hillsides or areas with rough terrain, Green Climber LV600 can effectively handle grass, shrubs, dense vegetation, and small trees. The Valtra 235's machine moves flexibly through forest terrain, using a crane mounted with a cutting head to reach and cut target trees and collect wood quickly and accurately. SDLG with Serrat Mulcher is the perfect combination for forest cleaning and soil reclamation work. With a powerful hydraulic system, the machine easily operates the Serrat Mulcher head to crush tree branches, bushes, and dense vegetation. Whether crushing sturdy tree branches or processing dense vegetation, these machines never stop working, contributing to optimizing work progress and quality. This is an effective and environmentally friendly solution for agricultural, forestry, and infrastructure development projects. Dipper Fox Tree Stump Crusher is a specialized device designed to quickly and effectively process tree stumps left after felling. With advanced technology, the machine provides powerful crushing ability, helping to completely remove stubborn tree stumps, minimizing time and labor compared to manual methods. In harsh weather conditions and challenging environments, these machines still operate tirelessly without stopping. Komatsu D 65-17 with outstanding power easily pushes stubborn tree stumps. The driver is showing off his skillful driving through this swamp. What a bold idea. Today it is used for transportation, the 5 largest reactors to modernize the Talara refinery. Everything is managed by the Industrial Projects Engineering and Operations team in Spain. They have to work day and night to promptly deliver products to customers. How admirable. After being transported by the container to the working location, the crane truck begins to move skillfully under the delicate control of the driver, slowly and safely landing on the ground. This is a gift that we would like to send to you with a collection of cine trucks for those who have not had the opportunity to watch. Supermodels are performing. Which car is your favorite? Please comment below so we can provide you with more information. We cannot deny the talent of the drivers driving these heavy vehicles. Whether facing rain, wind, or cold snow, they always overcome challenging roads. The Tri-Drive Mack Titan and the heavy-duty Volvo are two absolute torque monsters. Great Northern Highway, Bullsbrook Town, and off Chittering Roadhouse, Western Australia, pulling a Caterpillar 785 sea dump truck. Just those two vehicles alone can pull 1,000 tons. This is one of the largest excavator cranes in the country. This is a 270-ton long excavator crane with a 42-meter-long 3-section excavator crane. It is used to cut slopes and place protective rock on mudflats and breakwaters by New Zealand company Heron Construction. It is commendable for the working spirit of these people. Nearly 20 excavators are working enthusiastically. I'm worried about him, a brave man. It's amazing that they were able to move a brick structure of this size. The Buchanan Mansion, a 125-year-old brick house near Tipton, weighs more than 400 tons. At times like that, I want this snowplow. How can you carry such a giant excavator on your body?